Happy Mother's Day, my mothers and all you two mothers. Today is a special day to can celebrate uncomfortable loves, strength, and endless sacrifice of a mother. A beautiful throw from today. A mother is a who can take the place of a mother, other whose place on no else can take. Make a here day memorable love and applications for of music. Mother is a heartbeat, is a home, and without here, there seems to the are not horrible. When you are look at your mother, you are looking so purity, love your will ever know. I may not allow say it's, but thank you for being such a amazing mother. I am so proud of be your daughter. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. On this Mother Day, I just want to say thank you for the love and never the strength for impressible art or comfort that our only arms can you give. You are not just my mother, you are my safe place, my guides, and my greatness blessings. I love you for more than words can you say. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for our endless love, your patience, your strength. You have inspired me into you. I am a today. I am from forever great for you. To my mother, who show how much your cares about me in so many ways. Thank you for your all times for putting my first trust. Your makes sure what a happy today is a your day. You be your for all over have done for me. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। ये जो दुनिया है, ये बन है कांटों का फुलवारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले जिनकी माँ होती है। कितनी सुंदर है, कितनी शीतल है, न्यारी न्यारी है। ओ माँ,